Okay, ladies, one of those areas that definitely age us just by looking at it. And yes, you may be thinking the neck, but actually I'm talking about the hands. The hands actually age us. So we can do a lot to treat our faces over time, and we start young, but we don't include the neck, but we never include the hands. But what's more important with the hands is they're actually exposed to everything. If you're driving in the car, your hands are exposed. If you're out playing, your hands are exposed. Our neck isn't always exposed, but our hands are. So make sure you take care of them, resurface those hands so we can do some volume replacement in the hands. We have a couple different fillers we use. I prefer Lyft, or Radiesse is my favorite because it's a biostimulatory filler. So it also stimulates some collagen elastin at the same time as replacing that volume loss. So you look younger. So when you put your hand up next to your face, there isn't a clear difference and you're not showing your age. You just look youthful and healthy. So check this video out.